Alrighty guys, good morning. It is February 1st, 2018. It's Thursday today, heading to the studio at the moment. Yeah, so Zach's gonna be at the studio today. Hopefully we're gonna film the podcast. We really need to get that started, so hopefully we get to do that today. We have editing to do. I have some stuff I'm bringing to the studio that are projects based that we have to work on, but hopefully it's a decently productive day. About a year ago now, I believe, I contacted a company called UG International. This company makes really high quality LED light emitters. So I actually asked them for a couple of them to work out a sponsorship, and they sent me stuff. I'm yet to make the video on it though. So here is one of the lights I made. It's this like box light. So as you can see, there's some like glue and whatnot on the sides. So like I haven't touched these in a long time.
Oh, who's a good boy? Who's a good boy?
You want to be on the vlog, Shadow? Oh, I don't think he cares. There's no food for you, bro. So it's been some time just doing my stuff in the studio. Zach was here, but his computer is having some problems. He actually lost his USB-C power adapter for his MacBook. So he's been using my Nintendo Switch USB power adapter. And just a few minutes ago, his computer just shut off for no reason. And it just says it's dead. So he is going to Best Buy right now, picking up the power cord so he can actually use his computer. I am here. I'm gonna try to clean up some of the desks, set up the cameras, so we can hopefully film a somewhat successful podcast today. So sitting here testing out the mixer and all that, getting ready for the potential podcast that hopefully we're gonna actually film. I just realized that this mixer is a little more advanced than I noticed. It has some like it has an effects processor in it, so I can have add like reverb and pitch control and yada 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 to different microphones, which I thought was really cool. Regardless, is that here? No, I don't. Apple just screwed him over so much. Oh my gosh. All right, so I have the cameras more or less set up. I got my headphones. This is not wide enough at all. We have two cameras right there. Two cameras, one on me, one on Zach. I have my microphone. I'm testing out his different microphones, unfortunately. This is a nice condenser microphone. This is just a simple Dynamics, so it's gonna sound a little different, but I think it'll be all right. At least, you know, we're just starting with the podcasting aspect, so I'm not too worried about it. Anyway, Zach's still out. He just picked up his USB-C power adapter for his MacBook. And holy crap, Apple's crazy. That's just crazy. He ended up going to Best Buy and he spent like $100, so rip. His computer, yeah, it's still just not turning on with the Nintendo Switch wire. Oh wait, no, it did not turn on. Oh well, at least he picked up a new power adapter.
Don't know.
How mad are you? How mad are you right now?
I'm gonna curse.
How mad are you right now?
I'm very mad. $100.
I was just telling the blog about it. I can't believe. I mean, I know like if I had to get a new power adapter for my Mac, I think it's like give or take like $80. But yeah, like
it's a $2,000 computer. You're gonna charge me another $100 for a brand new.
And they're like sneaky about it. That's what pisses me off.
It doesn't come with the cord, so I said, all right, let me return it. Gives me my $80 back. All right, fine. $103.
That's crazy.
But on the same token, I'm gonna have to spend way more money reinvesting in the Canon platform than the Lumix platform.
Well, what we want to invest in right now, they were going with the G9.
Oh,
you saw that like
looks so fucking good.
The entire time you saw that. Oh my gosh. We just filmed the first episode of the podcast.
My first appearance on the YouTube channel.
Yeah, Zach's first appearance.
You guys will see it?
Yeah.
I put an Easter egg in the video. If you guys see it, leave a comment.
I'm sitting here trying to get some stuff worked on. I'm having problems importing though the footage from the vlog. I just unplugged my phone to make this. It's a YouTube day, working on setting up the set. I have my test dummy right there, who is, well, you can't see it on the screen right now. I have this umbrella light that's gonna be lighting up me, and then I have a spotlight for the background. I might try to move the 3D printer today, we'll see. But right now I'm filming the review for this guy, the Aputure LS Mini 20D, a fantastic small light, but just wait for the review and you'll see it. Here we go. See, got my subject, make sure the focus is all good. I usually control my camera with my phone, but I'm recording with the phone right now, so that's why I was freaking out a minute ago. All I have to really do is find my microphone so I can start recording. And I will say, I'm working on trying to change up a little bit how I make YouTube videos. So I'm filming basically the intro and outro with me here on set. But then I'm trying to do everything else through voiceover, as well as a ton of B-roll to make the video just more watchable and more entertaining, if you will. Why, hello everyone, it's a nice Saturday morning. It's about 10:30 in the morning, heading to the studio today. Don't plan to be here all day. I've been working on some emails, sending stuff out, yada yada yada. I'm also working on some videos, I mean, as always, but I'm working on the B-roll setup right now. So I have this fold-up table, and we might be replacing it with something a little different, we'll see. But I bought this poster board yesterday. I have black, as well as a white and a gray, and I'm using that as my backdrop for my overhead camera. Let me show you. So it's reversed at the moment, but this is it. So I mean, the lighting isn't perfect, especially not through this camera, but it allows me to customize, you know, the background essentially. I could even obviously go with white, go with gray. Kind of like in the black right now. I think though the lighting needs to be worked on. Adding this blue light, which I can change the color right here, like so. So that is pretty awesome. But yeah, just working this out. But here's the thing, especially when filming B-roll, you want to utilize your space. And this 3D printer is getting in the way. So I think I'm gonna take the 3D printer and move it over here to Zach's desk. Hey, what you doing over there?
Just rewinding my film, you know, huge.
Oh, your camera's so old. Come on, get on my level. GH5, baby. What even is that? Do they even make that camera anymore?
No.
Oh my gosh. This is a little bit annoying. It's a Sunday today, and usually mail doesn't come on Sundays, but the mail is coming today. And I have packages coming today, but I'm leaving for the office, so I don't think I'm getting my packages today. Unless I can get someone in this house to drive them over. That's your typical Monday. I mean, maybe not that typical. I haven't even started working yet. Finally, am kind of making my way to the office. It's a little past noon. I have some errands to run. Gonna go to Walmart, hopefully pick up some stuff for an upcoming video set, if you will. Got some 3D filament because I want to start working on some 3D projects. Zach was supposed to be in yesterday. He did not come in because of Super Bowl. He called me, let me know, whatever. So I told him he had to come in today. We have some editing and whatnot to take care of. And he is going to be starting to host one of the YouTube shows. So today is hopefully going to be a rather productive day. I came here for fold-up tables. Let's see what they got. This doesn't look bad. Black, 20 bucks. I might take it. So here's the table that I just purchased for $15. I realized also why it was only a $30 table to begin with. This is the highest it goes compared to this table right here, which is just made a lot better. I don't know how much it costs, I didn't buy it, but that's besides the point. Anyway, we got some of our mail time packages, letters, etc. all day pretty much on Thursday renovating and building a B-roll setup that's also movable so we can use it for desk kind of videos such as mail times and unboxing videos. So even though today's only Tuesday, I'm working on some plans, and I think Wednesday we're gonna start shopping for all the wood that we need. So tomorrow we're gonna be doing some shopping for that. And I will say, if you have a big office, if you have a small office, no matter what, keeping it clean is essential. So that's why I gotta do a lot of work to keep this place clean, because it's so easy to make a mess of this place.
Okay.
All right, we got all the wood.
This is some bullshit.
Barely fits.
Don't curse, all right?
Barely fits in the car.
Wait,
all right,
how am I getting in now?
let's go.
You're gonna lay under it.
I guess I'm getting.
We got all the wood loaded up in the car. Zach's putting away the table saw right now, heading to the studio to get some work done. Ignore that my hair is a mess. We got the construction project building the B-roll and shooting table. It's gonna go right there. We have all of our wood, a time-lapse camera over there. Let's get to it. So, desk update. It is basically completed, at least in terms of the frame. The top still needs to be nailed down. We nailed down this minus this one nail, which bent. We started nailing this one, and then I broke the hammer. Went back to the house, grabbed a new hammer. So I'm gonna take this outside and finish it up. It is Monday, February 12th. Just dropped off the girl at school. Now I'm heading to the office. So the last couple days, I've been trying to finish our B-roll table, but the weather has not been cooperating. So hopefully today, it was kind of snowing, but hopefully today it's gonna get nicer out and I'll be able to get some serious work done on it. Additionally, we have started a mail time series. Basically, because I buy so much equipment and whatnot in the studio, I try to have some fun with the unboxing process of it, and I make Zach do it. So we have a really big product coming in. No one knows about it, and I've been trying to get it from FedEx the last few days, but they haven't delivered it yet. So I'm gonna try to go now to the FedEx store to pick it up. It says it's there, but it says it's not ready for pickup, which I'm a little confused about, but hopefully they'll give me this product. The package was at FedEx, so we are good. All right, so it is 7 o'clock, February 12th. Very productive day. Have essentially finished the desk. It is stained, it is painted. The legs and the top are painted. I just put the filing cabinet back. Or else now I have to do is add some camera equipment. And I was teasing the package from FedEx that I was trying to get, and we did a mail time of it and a mail time unboxing, whatever. And that's this guy, the Panasonic G9. This is going to be our photography camera for all of our events and whatnot. Really looking forward to using that camera, but that is for a different vlog because I am ending the vlog here. Yes, it is the middle of February. I'm ending the vlog a little short because, you know, I filmed a lot already. We accomplished a lot with building this desk and all, so I might as well start fresh for the remainder of February because a lot more is about to happen. So guys, I'll catch you in the next vlog.